Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of November, 2024, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis have experienced an impressive gain of 91.35% since we initially identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 42 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.18% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically signifies an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $3.25 is breached, it will first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but may also serve as an early signal for a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately 125.72% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 120.67% to 245.66%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an estimated change of 11.58% over the next 12 months, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 52.91% and 62.05%. This suggests a price range of $1.56 to $5.38 by the end of the year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: High volatility in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $3.32. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price experienced a decline of 16.16% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, dropping from $3.96 to $3.32. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 21.32%, reaching a low of $3.19 and a high of $3.87. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, yet it remains up by 4.08% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 13 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 46 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $154,290,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $5.20, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands 36.15%, or $1.88, below the 52-week high, and 79.40%, or $12.80, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, or BBAI, has been experiencing notable volatility as we entered the year 2025. In December, the stock surged by 94%, driven by increased investor interest in the artificial intelligence sector, which saw substantial growth during the previous year. By the close of 2024, BigBear.ai's share price had impressively risen, showing a 128% increase over the year. However, recent trading sessions have revealed a sharp downturn, with shares dropping by over 18% in just one day, marking a striking contrast to last month's rally. Analysts have recently set price targets suggesting that BBAI could recover to around $7, yet this optimism is overshadowed by the stock's recent sell-offs. The broader momentum in the artificial intelligence market, expected to expand to $827 billion by the year 2030, presents a potential for recovery. Nevertheless, the stock's performance may be impacted by short-term fluctuations and profit-taking by investors. In the immediate term, This volatility can create opportunities for traders, but it also introduces risk as market sentiment shifts rapidly. Long-term prospects remain closely linked to the company's ability to leverage AI growth trends and stabilize its operations following the SPAC merger, which has experienced fluctuating investor confidence. As the market evolves, BBAI's capacity to sustain momentum will be crucial in determining the trajectory of its stock price. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned a buy grade to BBAI, along with a hold action. On the 15th of October, 2024, it was noted that H.C. Wainwright again assigned BBAI a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is currently presenting a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this generates a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $4.21. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $3.10. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 30th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 30.98%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, the volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 60 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 61 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 68 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 83 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.13 and $2.99. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level because if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings finds support just below today's level at $3.13. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.99 and $2.82. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 680 cents between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 21.32%. For the last week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 14.83%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at -5 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.38. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key point to think about for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings meets its first support level at $3.13. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of January 2025, Long Amanda executed an insider sale of 66,140 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of January 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 2,067 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December 2024, Ricker Sean Raymond executed an insider sale of 1,033 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December 2024, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 1,411 shares of common stock. On the 31st of December 2024, Peffer Julie executed an insider sale of 3,001 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 93.585. Overall, insiders purchased 3,911,463 shares and sold 104,294,135 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.15, reflecting a decrease of 5.02%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 10th of January, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open at 140 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $3.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.